Glory be to God. This year, 2026, God has been gracious to us by giving us abundant rain. And we don't need to use a drawer to fetch water from, from, from the well. You just use your hand, as you can see. Use your hand to fetch it. To God be the glory. 2026 is a good year. Pray that 2027 will be like that. Yours, I thank you for giving me your time. May God bless you also. And wherever you are watching this video from, if you are having challenges of rain, that is, if you are not getting enough rainfall in your area, because you have watched this video, God will give you that favor, that grace. You will record heavy rainfall before the close of 2026. I'm your brother, Pastor Iwadoku. Remain blessed.